got your back. Great Ocean Road, whereabouts. Nearly at Lawn. Great Ocean Road, heading towards Melbourne, nearly at Lawn. That's where we're going, that's where we are. There you go. Great windy. Bloody ripper. Bloody ripper, eh? Bloody ripper. You pussy carriage riders, eat your hearts out, mate. Eat your hearts out, eh? Here we go. That edge, eh? On the edge. Spectacular. Smooth as. Whoa. Whoa. See the road all the way. Isn't that brilliant? Look at that. That's the great thing about riding the ocean. You can see the road all the way around. You see that? Look. You can take the... You can adjust the corners to your liking. Yeah? Oh, look at that, eh? Oh. How many times have I said that? Are you counting? Go back and count. Look at that, eh? It does feel like something common I'm saying. Look at that, eh? Oh, look at that, eh? Oh, everyone's enjoying the cold weather. Freezing their ass off in the water. Well, if that's what you like. That's what you like. Don't freeze your ass off in the water. River. Alright. Let's get going. I think we're nearly at... Oh, Kennett, we're at Kennett River. Oh, that's why it's a nice little river. Kennett River. I hope that's not named after Premier Kennett. Jeff Kennett. He's got enough named after him. There. Oh, look at that, eh? We're all parked there and got the boats out and ski stuff and the boat stuff and everything's stuff. Look at all this stuff. 3:32 on Australia Day. What better way to spend Australia Day than be out in Australia enjoying Australia, hey? Look at those waves, eh? Boats and things. Oh, I'm definitely doing it Aussie style. Enjoying Australia Day. Oh, you can see it. You can see it. You can see it. I saw it. It goes like this. It goes like that, and then it goes like this, and it goes like that, and then it breaks a bit, and then it goes again, and it goes uphill. That's alright, I've got a powerful bike. Hills are not a problem. If I was on the 800 or 700 GS, yeah, it'd be a bit of a problem, but 1200, no problem at all. Right, cough it up, baby. What hill? No hill at all. Yeah, like that. Hills don't exist for this thing. Da da da. Oh, there's the Scooby-Dooby-Doo van. Did you see that? Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo van. Oh, here we go. There's definitely been some flames up there in the trees. What's that? I don't know how long ago that was. Wouldn't be Ash Wednesday, was it? That was too long ago. Don't know. Anyway, looking for opening. Not sure. Can't tell. Can't be certain. No, it wasn't certain. Too many shrubberies. I couldn't see if it was clear of cars. Might have been a Formula 1 car, you know, like a low car that was below the shrubbery that I wouldn't be able to spot, or a motorbike. Hey, there we go. If they sit, because they sit low, they sit below the shrubbery, that'd definitely be an issue, wouldn't it? Why does he put on the brakes so much? Far out. Taking a perv. No worries. Take a perv. Have a look. Eat your heart out, eh? Now, where's the next taking? Yeah, the hillside's a bit scarce. I think there was something burning up there at some stage. Oh look, it's clean now. Now's the time. They're speeding up now. I tell ya, these people that speed up on the straights and go more than the speed limit when they should be slowing down and letting you through, I tell ya, mindless, like not aware, you know? Mindless. There's a bike, Harley style. Good luck with that. Good luck with that Harley style. Where are we now? We're on the boulevard. But what's this? Caravan. Gee, they're enjoying the freaking camping there, aren't they? Tables out next to the ocean. Freaking nice houses up in the hills. Enjoying the view. Wow. We've got a retaining wall here. There's Darth Vader on his bike, on your Darth. Good one, Darth. Could have picked a better bike, Darth. Actually, I'm Darth Vader. I've got the big black bike. I was going to say another word starting with B, but it's a family show. Oh, look at these bunch of houses, eh? Nice. Nice. Where are we at? We're at Sarsfield. That's the street just here, Sarsfield. Gee, they must be freezing. I'll tell you what, if I was in there right now, my ankles would be the size of peanuts. Look at that, man. It must be freezing. I mean, the temperature outside at the moment is 22, but in the water, peanuts. Peanuts, I reckon. More retaining walls. Another bikie. No nod, you sod. Bloody sods. No nod. No nod, you're a sod. That's what I reckon. Was that Chinese? I think she was singing Chinese. Yeah, pretty sure it was Chinese. If it was English, I didn't understand it. Sounded alright though. sounded feminine at least. That's good. Good effort, Cindy. Cindy, you gotta get singing, Cindy. Cause no one else can sing it like you. Cindy, Cindy. You don't have to stop singing, Cindy. Alright, 10 minutes. Where's the opening? Is that the opening? There's the opening. There's the opening. He took the opening. Now where's the next opening? Let's see. Yep, she's definitely singing. And I think it's Chingers. There's another opening. Oh, look at this stretch, eh? Nice. Headbutt from the back there. She's got her hand on my back to stop her from moving forward, but she might have been looking at her phone, I think. But I think her headphones are flat and they're charging at the moment. It only takes 15 minutes to charge, it doesn't take long. That's the great thing about Beats X, even when they go flat after 8 hours. It only takes 15 minutes to charge them up again. It's too easy. And you don't have to take them off, you can leave them on, just charge it. So you don't have to stop or do anything special. You just take your charging cable and take it out of your phone, and it's the same cable for your Beats X. You know, the Beats X takes the same charging cable as your phone. Oh, I can't say much. I can't say enough about Beats X, really. There's just so many things that you need to consider and realise that it's just a freaking cracking item. It's a cracking item. And that's just another factor of the Beats X, is if